Hey everyone, Brian from WorkshopAddict.com, and we are going to give away this awesome RIDGID charging job site radio. And I say it because we've been using this as a main radio in the shop for about the last week and a half, 2 weeks, and I love it. The sound has been great. It's been easy to use, quick to connect to Bluetooth. It's just a great addition. Now, I want to go over one thing and ask you guys possibly for a favor if you have any connections. First, people have commented they don't like the OSB in our shop, and I'm sorry, it works well for us. We can hang things on the wall, but to cover some of that up, we took and put some of the signs that we could find up there, not as advertising billboards, but more as just cover up the OSB, and people aren't taking it that way. So we are completely open to taking any kind of sign. If you guys have connections to something, doesn't matter. We just took any signs we could get for a very reasonable price. There's no cost to put a sign up on our wall, but somebody said, hey, we're Milwaukee fans because we have a Milwaukee sign on the wall. We love Milwaukee, we love DeWalt, we love RIDGID, I love Makita, all of them. But you know what? Don't have signs from them all, but we like cars, so we have a lot of car signs up there. We'll put anything up there. If you have a connection or you want your sign on the wall, dude, as long as it looks good, we'll put it up, and glad to cover up some of this OSB for you guys. Anyway, long rant. Got into it with a guy in comments, and I thought, you know what? If you think that we're advertising for somebody, great. We're just trying to cover up the OSB that 90% of people don't want to look at. So anyway, did this random generator on my phone, and it's hard to read, but it is Jeeper Jimbo 1990. So what I need you to do is email me at WorkshopAddict.com. Also leave a comment below in this video so we know we can connect up the two together. We know we got the right guy. And then we will ship this radio out to you. But don't worry if you didn't win, because keep going, we keep watching, subscribe. We have a lot of awesome giveaways coming from a tool company that is putting out a ton of tools. So we're gonna have 2 months straight of great Milwaukee tool giveaways. So make sure you subscribe to this. Keep following our videos. We appreciate all your support, guys. Keep giving me your comments, positive or negative. Like to see it. Have a great day.